Hey, how's it going, folks? Well, Milton has hit land, and as he was coming up, me and my friend from Tennessee were hitting it with everything we got. And you can see right here where the energy hits it, it starts spiking up, and it looks like a direct energy is hitting it, and it is. See, from Houston and from Tennessee, and look how it starts coming apart, and these big spiking lines. Also, it's split in half. When it's down here, it's splitting in half, and then once it gets hits land, see, it's still split in half right here, and it keeps splitting it. And word is that it's only a category 2, but they're saying it's category 3. It's not as deadly as supposed to be. It's not over yet, though. It's only halfway through, but I'm making a video before I go to sleep. You could see all these lines right here. I mean, it's pretty obvious. It's getting hit by something. Let's hope the best for these people. We'll see how it turns out in the morning. It's almost midnight right now, and the eye is right in the middle of Florida, right here. And it looks like it's spinning the eye, but it's not really pronounced, and it's not. There's not an eye wall, but it has to be spinning a little bit. We'll see how it turns out, but my prayers go out to these people and everybody else who's been suffering. I'll be back with another video soon. Thank you. Have a good night. Love you guys.